Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're taking a look at Metro by T-Mobile, specifically their website at www.metrobyt-mobile.com. This site serves as the central hub for all things Metro, providing customers and potential customers alike with a comprehensive resource for understanding their services and offerings. Navigating through the webpage, you'll discover a wealth of information about Metro's various phone plans, each designed to cater to different budgets and data needs. They outline their coverage map, highlighting the expansive reach of their network and ensuring users can stay connected wherever they go. Beyond just plan details, Metro by T-Mobile also showcases their current device lineup, featuring a diverse selection of smartphones from leading manufacturers. Whether you're looking for the latest flagship model or a more budget-friendly option, their website presents the available choices and allows you to compare features and specifications. For existing customers, the site provides convenient access to account management tools. This allows users to view their billing statements, make payments, and manage their account settings all in one place. Moreover, the website also houses a comprehensive support section, offering answers to frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides to address common technical issues. This self-service portal empowers customers to resolve minor problems quickly and efficiently without needing to contact customer support directly. In addition to practical information, the website also features promotional offers and deals, allowing visitors to potentially save money on their monthly service or snag a new device at a discounted price. MetroByT-Mobile.com effectively serves as a one-stop shop for everything related to Metro by T-Mobile, from exploring plan options and browsing devices to managing your account and finding helpful support resources. It's a crucial platform for the company to communicate with their customers and maintain a strong online presence. So, if you're considering switching carriers or are simply curious about what Metro by T-Mobile has to offer, be sure to check out their website. You might just find what you're looking for.